everything melted and is perfect. Looks so good. Hey guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a real quick and easy simple lunch idea, and this can be made with overnight chicken, or you can go ahead and steam some chicken and just mince it to medium size. And then I have here some mashed avocado, and I have some cayenne pepper on it because you want the cayenne pepper to kick this flavor up. And then all I have here is some light salad cheese, or you can go ahead and use whichever cheese that you wish. That for the chicken, I just steam it with a little bit of tomato sauce and seasoning. You can go ahead and steam your chicken however that you wish. And then the base of this lunch is going to be wheat wrap. You can go ahead and use whichever wrap that you also chooses. Now I have my pan here preheated. This is going to be the quickest and easiest lunch that you'll ever see, and yet delicious. So I put some olive oil in the bottom of my pan just so we have a little oil in there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and drop my wrap right in the middle. We want to get our wrap a little bit brown. So while our wrap is browning, I have a medium heat here. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is add some of my avocado to the base of the wrap, just like that, and you spread it out on half of the wrap because that's what you're going for. So you spread that avocado nicely, and then I'm going to add some chicken on it. Get your hand in there, don't be afraid to get your hand in there. I'm going to make 2 wraps, so I shared my ingredients in 2. Then I'm going to add cheese, and you can go ahead and add your ingredients whichever order that you choose. There's no specific order to add in the ingredients. What is the ingredients? It's the mix of the ingredients that give it that awesome flavor. Now we're going to let that just sit there for a bit, and I'm going to now go ahead and fold to seal this wrap, and I just press out the wrap just to make sure it's evenly spread, and you just let this brown on both sides, and voila, your wrap is ready after that. And you eat this warm and it will be delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wrap, give it a nice flip. As you guys can see on the side is getting golden. That's what you're going for, and it's healthy. If you're looking for a healthy option, you can always go for this wrap, low in carbs, and 1 is just enough if you fill it with enough protein, or you can make 2 small ones and you enjoy this hot. Give it another flip. Nice. And we can go ahead and take this one out, and voila, there you have your nice wrap, and you give this a nice bite. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just show you guys. Everything melted and is perfect. Looks so good. Alright guys, so there you have it, a nice and easy simple lunch idea. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.